Hello guys, in today's video you have to guess 50 human body organs in just 8 minutes. You will have 10 seconds for each question. Let's start. Guess this organ. Yes, it's heart. Now it's more easy. Guess this organ. Yes, it's brain. Which organ is this? Yes, these are lungs. Now guess this organ. Yes, this is liver. The answer is stomach. Now guess this organ. Yes, this is kidney. Yes, this is small intestine. It's more easy. Yes, the answer is eye. The answer is ear. Now guess this organ. This is pancreas. Yes, this is belly button. Now guess this organ. Yes, the answer is large intestine. Stomach, kidney or spleen. Can you guess this organ? Yes, this is spleen. Now can you guess this organ? The answer is thyroid gland. Now it is easy to guess. Yes, the answer is gallbladder. Guess this organ. This is esophagus. Now which part of the body is this? Pharynx, trachea or larynx? Yes, it is trachea. Which part of the body is this? Yes, it is appendix. Now guess this organ. These are adrenal glands. Which part of the body is this? Yes, it is uterus. Can you guess this part? Yes, this is ovary. Now it is difficult to guess. This is pituitary gland. Now can you guess this organ? This is diaphragm. Now guess this organ. Spinal cord. Now guess the name of this tube. This is ureter. Now guess this organ. This is uvula. Now guess this organ. Larynx, pharynx or Adam's apple. The answer is Adam's apple. Now guess this blood vessel. The answer is aorta. Now which blood vessel is this? The answer is superior vena cava. And which blood vessel is this? Yes, inferior vena cava. Now can you guess these structures? Yes, these are alveoli, which are present in our lungs. Now which part of the brain is this? Thalamus, hypothalamus or pituitary gland? Yes, thalamus. Now which bone is this? Yes, the answer is pelvic bone. Now which part of the brain is this? I think you can't guess this. Yes, pineal gland. Now can you guess this organ? I'm sure it is difficult to guess. Yes, this is thymus gland. Now which part of the brain is this? Pons, medulla oblongata or thalamus? Yes, the answer is pons. Now which part of the body is this? Yes, this is nephron, which are present in our kidneys. Now, which bone is this? The answer is femur. And which bone is this? The answer is humerus. Can you guess this bone? The answer is ulna. And which bone is this? Yes, this is radius. Which bone is this? Yes, this is tibia. Now can you guess this bone? Yes, this is fibula. Now guess this organ. The answer is a urinary bladder. Now, which part of the brain is this? Yes, cerebellum. Now, can you guess this bone? The answer is patella. Now, which muscle is this? Yes, biceps. Can you guess this part of the body that attaches muscle with bone? Yes, this is tendon. Now guess this bone. The answer is sternum. Now, which part of the ear is this? The answer is cochlea.